How to delete your TikTok search history. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your TikTok search history. So basically what you need to do is open up your TikTok application and log in. So once logged in, what next you need is click on the search bar at the top of the page, and there you have these search, right? So you could just simply go and click on the cross icon right next to it, just like that. And this is one way of doing it, but if you have a long history, then what you need is just exit out of this page, go to the profile section, tap the menu bar from the top right and go to settings and privacy. So when you go to settings and privacy, what next you need is come to the search history section. So just scroll down a bit and look for these options. So here you want to go to activity center, and then here you have the search history. So accordingly you could go ahead and select it just like that, long press onto it, and that is how you'll be able to delete your search history on TikTok. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.